Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our mass airflow sensor. That's going to be located right on your air filter box. The first thing you want to do for the mass airflow sensor is to come right over to the electrical connector. Squeeze on the tab where my thumb is. When you do that, it should release the lock, and then you can gently separate the wiring from the mass airflow sensor. Once you have it off of there, give it a quick inspection. If you see any funny colors in this area, it's probably corrosion and that would need to be dealt with. That one looks fine, so I'll set it aside. Now let's move along to our two Phillips head screws that hold it in place to the air filter box. Go ahead and grab onto that sensor, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from your upper air filter box. Okay, it's time to get ready to install our brand new mass airflow sensor. Go ahead and take that and put it in the position that you removed the original from. As you can tell looking at this, my mounting bolts line up perfectly and my wiring is facing towards the passenger side. Now let's go ahead and put in both of our mounting bolts. We're only going to start these in a little bit, and once both of them are started, we can tighten them up. Keep in mind, these are only screwing into plastic and you don't want to strip anything. Go ahead and grab onto that wiring harness. Make sure that the locking tab is up along the top. Go ahead and press it in, listen for a click. There's our click. I'll give it a nice tug to make sure it's secure. At this point, your mass airflow sensor is completely installed in the vehicle. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and start up your car, let it run for a little while. Make sure it runs okay with no check engine light, and then take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.